This is a demo of a project called Book Summarizer. The goal of this project is to implement and demonstrate text summarization for large volumes of textual information. The essential idea is to implement X-raying of books, suggested in a classical work, How to Read a Book. The functionality demonstrated in this project is similar to that of Notebook LM. The main idea is to demonstrate the possibility to handle large texts in order to build custom products or integrate functionality similar to Notebook LM into existing products. This notebook implements two functionalities focused on handling large texts, structuring and summarization of high-level parts of the text, asking and answering questions about key concepts presented in each part of the text. The input text that will be used in this demo is one of the books of Sigmund Freud. The volume of this text is quite large, that's why it's important to have a large context window. The next step is model initialization. And the main step is the preparation of a prompt that contains instructions and the entire input text that should be analyzed. So with all of these, the Gemini model is called. After some time we can check the results. First of all, we can check the number of input tokens. Here we can see that it's quite large. Also, we can see the main response. In particular, there is an HTML table that is structured by chapters and subchapters. And for each chapter and subchapter, there is a brief summary of key concepts and ideas. So this is a content that may be flexibly integrated into custom solutions, similar to Notebook LM. Now let's proceed to the second feature. The goal of the second example is to demonstrate the structured output of the model. This is a mechanism that allows, for example, to implement interactive functionality based on the output of the model. In particular here, the model produces JSON with questions and answers focused on individual parts of the input text. In this example, this JSON is shown in text format. Interactivity based on such JSON may be implemented in a way shown in this prototype. Here we may see that the web application generates questions and answers, so that answers are displayed only when user expands corresponding section manually. So this is a functionality that may be integrated into something like interactive tutorials that are based on large volumes of text.